got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, let's get into my t-shirt. How bomb is this? I'll leave a link for y'all in the description box, but we're gonna get into this hair, y'all. This unit is from Africanmall, which now goes by Jurllyshe. It does come with an elastic band, one that you can sew on. These are the little hooks that you can add, and this is the unit. It is a transparent, straight texture lace unit. It does come pre-plucked, but it has been done minimally, so you will need to go in and customize it to your liking. It does come with baby hair as well, and y'all, I got lint 26. Who am I? I am constantly getting these long units, and y'all, the density is 180. It is so full. I love big, thick, dense hair, y'all. And this is what the unit looks like on the inside. It does come with combs. And now I'm showing you all what the transparent lace looks like. It is lighter, so I am gonna have to tint the lace. And right now I'm deciding to go ahead and tweeze the front of the hairline. My goal was to wear this unit in like a half up, half down hairstyle, but I did change my mind. But I decided to go ahead and tweeze this area, and then I'm gonna show you all what it looks like on the mannequin head.
Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me. I feel like I got too much to lose. And you tell me, baby, that's an excuse. And I wish I believed that was true.
So I decided to stop here. I felt like it looked natural enough, so I'm just going to pull it back and begin working on my stocking cap. I decided to do the partial ball cap method, so I'm going to cut off this band in the front and then begin securing the wig cap down using my bed head holding spray.
Sometimes I wonder if we meant to be. I guess that we gon' see. I ask myself, I wonder if I wanted too much. Overthinking mind up in the clouds would have done to get us down. I don't know. You know, my daddy wasn't around to make my mama smile for excuses. But honestly, I don't know why I still use them. I told myself I would not lie in the music. Cause I usually keep my fears down on the low. Put my diamonds out of chocolate. Don't wanna see it go, but I'm scared if I open up, you walk away.
So I just showed you all what the sides look like. I am going to have to go in and tweeze those as well. And y'all, I wanted to show you all the parting space. This parting space goes back so far. I love that. I've never seen a unit that in the center had this much parting space that wasn't a full lace. So that's a really, really great feature about this unit. And I'm going to show you all how long it is. Again, I got length 26 and it comes well past my bottom. So right now we're going to work on tinting the lace, and I don't actually have the lace tint that I generally use. I don't have that particular color. I've been using Finest Mocha as well as Caramel Frappe. These are the last two that are left in a kit that I got. So I just decided to mix the two colors that I have, which are Pure Beige and also I believe it's Chocolate Dip. So I just sprayed those on and then followed it up with my face powder just to make sure that it looked more scalp-like.
Look, I know that you've been let down before, so I try to stay composed. I just wanna hold you close, baby. Tell me, are you trying to leave? Oh, you stay. Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me.
All right, so now that we've done some of the customization, this is what the unit looks like. It looks much better. The lace actually looks more like my scalp color. So right now I'm just gonna cut off the lace and then we're gonna begin installing the unit.
Cause I feel like I got too much to lose. You tell me, baby, that's an excuse. And I wish I believed that was true.
So we're about to install, but as you all can see, I'm definitely gonna have to tweeze the side hairline as well. But I'm just cutting around my ear tabs to make sure everything is positioned and fits properly. I'm gonna be using the bed head in order to secure my unit down. I like to work on one side at a time, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also gonna work on tweezing the hairline, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
But I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford to watch your heart ache. I can't afford another heartbreak. I don't wanna face what's in my mind now. I ain't got the time now. At least that's what I tell myself. All I see is tears inside your eyes now. Waiting to reply now. I'm not trying to seek you out for help. I've been on the road trying to find closure. Your secrets go cold and only God knows them. Waiting for your heart to give eviction notice. Yeah. Give me time, give me space, let me breathe, yeah. Seems like I'm trying to pick between you and my dreams, yeah. These thoughts don't
now that we've laid down the unit, I am going to begin to take out baby hair, and then I'm going to proceed to add Care wax to my hairline just to make sure everything looks nice and sleek, and then I'm going to follow that up with my hot comb.
Baby, you been down when ain't nobody else around, and I need you by my side. Just dealing with these feelings, I can't lie, but I need you. Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. You tell me, baby, that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that that was true. But I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford to watch your heart ache. I can't afford another heartbreak. I know I said I'd never break your heart, but you can't have a fire with no spark. Feel like I'm out here shooting in the dark, and I don't know where I'm supposed to start. You said never leave, baby, and you know you're driving me crazy. I try, but I'ma need saving. It took a beautiful lady to show me how ugly I can get. Sinking to the bottom, but that's when I learned to swim. We got problems, but we never let them win. I want my day to begin and end with you. And I know you deserve better, 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 and I know you deserve.
So now I'm going to apply Nairobi mousse to my hairline in order to lay my baby hair, and I will link it down below. Be sure to follow the link for my Amazon favorites page. I recently started one at many of you all's request, so I have every link to all of my wig supplies, and there are also some other goodies that I really like on Amazon, so you all be sure to check that out. But this unit is looking so good so far, so I'm going to continue this process, and then I'm going to flat iron the hair.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute. Grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. NEESHA, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
Y'all, with a wig this gorgeous, you just turn into somebody new. It looks so great. I love that it's so affordable. It's also big head friendly. I get asked that a lot, and I'm showing you all what it looks like pulled behind your ear. It just looks so classy and chic. I'm also going to show you what it looks like in a ponytail. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Check the description box. All the links and specifications will be provided down there. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.